that you see my screen. I will
Yes.
turn on the presentation mode.
No, you can continue. Perfect.
Great, great. So first of all, thanks to QBS to having me here today. For all of you, my name is Adam, and I'm from Solita company from Czech Republic, and I'm account manager for Solita Express apps, the financial solutions which I want to talk about today. I have here some takeaways from today I want to give you. The first is I want you to know the Solita Express apps. What is it all about? I want you to introduce you two of our solutions, the rental and the loans express. I will show you some partnership conditions and benefit, and I have some follow-up which I really want to meet with you, in the future. Don't hesitate to contact me or to connect with me on LinkedIn or check our website one-core.com. So, few things about us as Solita. As I mentioned, we be coming from Czech Republic, but we have own branches in more than in 8 countries in Europe. Basically, we have 4 divisions, but only one of them are focusing on the Microsoft products and on the Dynamics. As a Solita Express apps, we have more than 10 global partners. Of course, Solita as a company have more partners around the world. What are the Solita Express apps? Basically, they are Microsoft Dynamics Business Central add-ons, so they are available on App Store. And they are solutions for small and mid-sized financial companies who are operating with loans or with financial leasing, with installment sale, etc. Their main feature is we developed them because we want to help and simplify operations to the end customers, of course, and by some usage of the wizards and these features, we are doing this. Maybe for you as a potential partners, here is necessary information that the solution is available on App Stores, as I said, and then the process of the implementation is really easy and fast. So then it is just about the customer needs and about some additional development. I have here a few things about the languages and local legislations. Now we have the solution in 5 languages, and of course in English, in Dutch, in German, in Deutsch, and about the local legislations, we have more than 16 local legislations, includes Dutch. So I think this is the most important for all of you. But for example, if you will have some customers who are from different countries, which we don't have the legislation for, we are able to provide it to you in, let's say, few weeks. It is just about to certify our solution for them. But I think it's something what all of you know. If we will switch to the Express apps, as I mentioned, there are 5 apps actually. 4 of them are focusing on really financial industry and financial companies. One of them, the Rental Express, is focusing more to the rental side of job. For example, if your customer is car rental or boat rental agency or firm. But let's back to the first one. We have the Loans Express, basically for loan lifecycle management. Then we have the Funding Express for management of the incomes to the company, for management of the deposit portfolio, let's say. The Installment Sale Express is basically for buy now, pay later operations. It means we just created some repayments for, let's say, some solution, or it's something what you can use in your company for your customers, basically. And also we have Financial Leasing Express for leasing the fixed assets. So it is connected, the financing is connected with the fixed asset, with the object, and it has some own differences than opposite of the loans or installment sale. Today, I want to speak more about the Loans Express because it's a solution which we developed like the first from all of this, and about the Rental Express because it's the latest one, it's the newest one for us. So about the Loans Express, I will explain you just for who it is. It is for, let's say, credit institutions, loan brokers, financial lessors. For small companies, you can imagine it as a company with three employees who are working in the Excel, and they are like need to move and automate some processes. But the solution is really ready for growing with company. So if company now have 3 employees, but in future the potential is to have 20 or 50 employees, because of it's based in the Business Central, the solution is ready for this. The Loans Express enables your customers mainly to manage all loan steps. It means from creation of calculation to archiving the contract. Also, the customers can enjoy the automation, and they are able to be connected with the Business Central and do all the necessary like posting processes and this type of operations. Loans Express is not only about like creating some type of loan, but we are able to do probably any type of loan here, and we have like a lot of features. For example, the daily interest, which is using, because every single company works really differently with these things. There are like some local legislations which are becoming from the government, but there are also differences in in the companies. So that's the reason why we are still developing some new features. As for example, a calendar month, you are able to working with secured or unsecured loans, with fixed or revolving debts, and all of these functions. So this was about the Loans Express. The Rental Express is, as I mentioned, only solution which is not focusing too much to financial side of the like business, but it's more for the like onboarding, evidence, and rent the equipment, or let's speak about the cars, rent the cars to the customers. Now it is ready for cars, but the solution will be ready also to be more universal and to be able to rent, for example, the boats or the motorcycles, or all of these things. With the Rental Express, you can simply like do the all rental actions which you need. It means you have here all the objects which you are renting, you have their history, you have here the reservations and the rents. So here is some workflow between them, and some workflow, of both of these categories, like workflow of the reservations and of the rents. And I think a really important thing is the object history. So it's something which customer can use if they need to look back and think about some things which happened with the object. So from the Rental Express, I think this was the basics of the loans and of the rental. From the partnership point of view, of course, we are offering you the margin, something what's like what you need as a partner. The margin starts on 20% of our like flat fee of every single app, and our price model is like monthly flat fee per tenant, not per user. So it means, let's say for Loans Express, it's like something around 500 euros per month. So for you, it's with 20% discount, and you can like sell it for any price you want. We are just guarantee this price to our end customers. What I see as the partnership benefit for you is software continuity, because we are doing the new releases not only twice per year as Microsoft do, but we are doing them like every second month. And you know, it's something which is really important for the customers, because we are still bringing them some new features, and it's also like beneficial for you, because you still can like talk with more end customers as our partners. Uh, what we really want to do, and we are still doing it, is like we keep it as a really important thing. It's the bring you the latest information. So we have several ways how to inform you. We have the monthly newsletters, we have the partner zone in Yammer, or we have the LinkedIn group. So these are the ways how you can like connect with us just now, and in future, if you will have some customer for this or from this part of business, you can just contact us, and we will be still, you know, updated. Of course, we want to support you as our partners in the business, but from the technical side also. From the business side, we are able to do the presentations with you and all of these things in the beginning. We also have prepared like some presentations and fact sheets and user guides for your known and for your customers, to be able to, you know, do the presentation better. So this is like basically about the partnership. I mentioned I want to do some follow-up with some of you, or with all of you, if it will be possible. And it is my next step. If you have your like mobile phones, you can pick them up, and you can try to scan these QR codes. The first is you can book the meeting with us via our bookings, because we are using this to be able to to be able to you know, doing our meetings like quickly. But the main thing is I'm doing the webinar in 2 weeks. The theme of the webinar is or the gist is uh, Loans Express and the Rental Express. So I will do the demo of Rental Express here, and I will also talk more about the Loans Express. So if you want, please read the QR code, or I will send you the link later on to this chat here in this Teams session. And you can, yes, we can meet here, and we can also talk here if you don't want to meet with us, like, you know, separately. So you can meet with me here on the webinar. From my side, that's probably all. I want to say thanks to all of you. I have here maybe last QR code. I really like to use them, because I think it's a really nice technology. If you want to go to our website, please scan this one, or go to the one-core.com. You can contact us via cell phone or via email. And as I said, you can connect it with us on the LinkedIn. I think that's the future for all of us. So from my side, that's all. I will be really happy if some of you will have some questions for me.